Hi, I'm Psyche. I'm one of the founders of Urban Hydration, socially responsible fruit and plant-based skin, hair, home cleaning, and now face skincare. I'm going to talk to you about our Honey hair care line. Our Honey hair care line, honey, the doctor is in. This line is such a repair line. I've seen scalps repaired. I've seen hair repaired. Honey is like a capsule in a bottle, just ready to take your hair and replenish it, which we call it the grow and repair line. Well, here's the thing. You got to repair before you grow. I'll say it again. You got to repair before you grow. That's what our Urban Hydration Honey hair care line is for. It is specifically built with honey and argan and sweet vanilla bean. Oh my goodness, the sweet vanilla bean also penetrates the scalp, helps to go in, get rid of the gross, unwanted, unhappy follicles and issues that are in your scalp and in your head, allowing your hair to come back and grow to be very healthy. So specifically this line helps, number one, boost and brighten your hair. It also reduces breakage because think about honey, how sticky it is. So it's allowing your hair to be kind of covered by honey when you're washing it. So it's allowing your hair to stick together, stay together, and keep those follicles nice, tight, and right. Also, because we have aloe and sweet vanilla in it, it also helps stimulate. So it's going into those hair follicles, and it's helping to help your scalp to grow hair and boost hair. Vanilla and aloe and honey mixed together helps to prevent dandruff. Yucky. It helps heal your scalp so it's not producing flakes and dandruff. What it also does is helps moisturize and condition the hair. It also soothes your hair and promotes your hair to not have frizz. So this stuff is, when I tell you again, the doctor is in. Y'all, honey hair care is everything. Everybody loves it, and they're probably trying to figure out why. It's because the doctor's on their head, working it out. I mean, it is some surgical procedures going on because of these natural plant and fruit-based things that are in this bottle. I'm excited about honey, and I know you are too.